Hi students, I am Dr. Maya. I will teach one of the third semester paper Social Statistics. This paper contains 5 modules. Before going to detailed study, let us start with the first module, Meaning of Statistics. The word statistics is derived from the Latin word status, which means a group of number or figure. The subject statistics is a mathematical science. It is widely dealing with collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of numerical values. Today, statistics plays an increasingly important role in our daily lives. For example, to know about population status, health, educational status, and political polls, etc. of a society. Statistics also using in all organizations at all levels of government. It plays a crucial role in scientific research, especially social science research. It is based on observational collection and analysis of data. Statistical methods are playing an important role in framing suitable policies and programs in our society. So, statistics is the science of collecting, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting information in numbers. In general, it is an aggregate of facts collected in a systematic manner. Then, the application of statistics in various fields. Statistics is now applied in every sphere of human activity and its application increasing day by day. In health and medical field, statistical data and techniques are used to study vital events such as fertility rate, mortality rates, and incidence of diseases. In social science, statistical data and statistical methods are applied to understand people's knowledge and attitudes level. In business and industry, statistical techniques are applied to assess consumer preferences and pricing of goods, production optimization, and quality control. In planning and program development, statistical data and techniques are used to study the levels and pattern of development, monitoring and evaluation of programs. Then the characteristics of statistics. Statistics are aggregate of facts, which means that statistics deals with groups but not individual item. Single and isolated figure are not considered as statistics. Statistics are used to analyze the multiplicity of causes. For example, statistics of increasing crime rate of a country or state caused by different reasons such as alcoholism, drug addiction, broken family, etc. It is very difficult to study separately the effect of each of these forces on the increasing crime rate. Next characteristics, statistical data are expressed numerically. All statistics are numerical statement of facts, that is expressed in numbers. Qualitative statements such as the population of India is rapidly increasing or India is a poor country do not consider as statistics. Next characteristic of statistics was the data collected in a systematic manner. And the statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. The purpose of collecting data must be decided in advance. The purposes should be well defined and specific. There are two types of statistics. One is descriptive and other is inferential. Descriptive statistics means it describe or classify data by summarizing them into understandable terms without losing or distorting information. But inferential statistics consist of parametric statistical techniques such as the Pearson's correlation, student's test or analysis of variance, and non-parametric statistical techniques like Spearman's rule, which are used to make generalization about population characteristics by studying a sample selected from a given population. Then we learn about how statistics help in social research. A major aim of social sciences is to develop principles and find solutions to the different social problems, especially sociology, which explain and provide new insight into human society. So, statistics play a vital role in summarizing, collecting, and interpreting data designed to empirically evaluate a principle and fit for a comparative study. The main use of statistics in research, particularly in social science, is to test the tentative solution to a problem. Next, the main functions of statistics. One of the most important functions of statistics is to present the general statement in a precise and definite form. Statement of facts conveyed in exact quantitative terms are always more convincing and thus help proper comprehension of what is stated. It also helps in simplifying mass of data into a few significant figures. Statistical methods are extremely helpful in formulating and testing hypotheses and to develop new theories. Statistics also help to predict and formulation of suitable policies in our society.